Okay, guys, today I've got some problem on my project while I'm working on some portfolio websites on React apps. So while I'm creating the file, I found several problems here, and I have some solutions for them that may help you to just solve your problems too. So the first thing is that if you come to my websites, there are some components here already created it. So the first one is about parts, the hero part, navbar, and services. So if you open this about JSX file, let's open it. So you see here, still you have one problem here. The main problem on this file is, as you see here, the React is defined but never used. So this is ES needs no-unused-var. It says, but you see, this problem can be easily solved. I found that I can omit this line. I can delete this line totally because I already created an app, React app on this file. So we have the proper libraries for React app. So we don't need to mention on every file to import React from React because I am already created a React app on this file. So I can clear this problem by simply delete this line. Okay? Delete this line and save the file. Then now nothing is the problem on this file. Okay, everything works fine. So this way we can clear any problem. If we go to another part, I think now let's come to here. See here, this service data JS file I just created for the some of the cards service section. So I just create some arrays. An array. This data is created as an array. So I'm just hold it in my service. I'm going to use it here. You see, service data. The first step is I properly import this service data from the service data file from my inside my asset. You see here the data. So there is no any problem while I'm calling this while I'm importing this data to my service file. But still there is a problem that if you run the code, you see, just run the code. You see, this is my file, but there is nothing rendered on the output and the post and the local post. So that is the main problem here. So I have to solve the problem first. So if you come back to the basic code, you see here, it says the same problem. You see here, service data is assigned a value but never used. It's the same with the React app. The same problem. You see, ES needs no unused bars. It says I just created the file and I imported properly to the services file, but still that value is never used. Okay, it's assigned properly, it's declared, but the service JSX file, this data file cannot be detected in terms of its value. So the main problem that I found is just that first in such kind of problems you can click this link and you can have some detailed information about that. So when you click that one, we can find this page. So we can, you see, this is the here can easily solve the problems. We may have different details related to variable declaration and usage of some value on a given variable. So such kind of detailed information you can find it here. So we can easily solve. When you come to my problem here, the main problem is I didn't export this data file properly. See, I properly imported it, I properly assigned it, declared it, but in the service.jsx file, I didn't just export it properly. That was the problem. So if I save this file, now the problem is gone, you see. So some technical problems, while such kind of problems, unused var problem mostly happens because of an improper assignment, or if I use some name here, whatever name, if I just mistakenly omit some spelling here, then that will be a problem too. That means it cannot access its value exactly. So now at this point, just recall exactly that will be expected properly. So if we save the file and go to the portfolio and refresh the site, so you see this is the portfolio that I was waiting. So the data on this side are properly. So the main thing is here, the main problem, such kind of problem is faced. So the first thing is to make sure the file is properly assigned, properly imported, properly exported. Okay, if you do that, such kind of problems can't be happening. So this was my problem. So if it is useful for you, just understand.